Make a great choice today with
The 2024 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, integrated turn signal mirrors. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.